Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best kitchen scales. So let's get started. Number 7. Joseph 40071. If you don't use kitchen scales on a regular basis, this set is fantastic to stash away for the rare, but essential, occasions when accuracy is needed for dry ingredients. The housing of ingenious design is small and slim enough to fit easily into a utensil drawer when folded up, and when the 3 legs are folded out and locked into place for use, they provide a 3-pronged stand for plates and bowls. Rubber feet make this nifty number rock steady, although the LED display is not illuminated at all, with a calculator-style reading which can be reset to 0 for adding ingredients. Number 6. Heston Blumenthal Dual Platform. Well, this is all very fancy, but is it worth investing more than twice the dough for comparable, single-load scales? Yes, if you are using them a lot. The larger pad takes weight up to 10 kilograms with 1 g increments, while the smaller one calibrates weights up to 200 g, moving in 0.1 g increments. That's pinpoint, so way up, sorry, whether you really need such precise measurements. We found them useful for balancing individual spices for our own garam masala mix, for example. These look great on the countertop, which is a good thing as they're certainly the heaviest scales we tested, and you probably wouldn't want to stuff them in a cupboard like some cheaper models. Number 5. Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale. With its brushed silver finish and backlit screen, Etekcity's top-selling stainless steel scale looks much more high-end than its price tag would suggest. It can measure up to 11 pounds, or 5 kilograms, but is accurate enough to weigh just a few ounces, grams, fluid ounces, or milliliters. At just 7x 5.5 inches, and less than an inch thick, it's compact enough to be stashed away in a drawer or cabinet. The flat surface and laminated buttons also make it incredibly easy to clean. Some reviewers note that the small size does make the LCD screen hard to read when measuring with larger bowls or plates. Number 4. Ozeri ZK14 or Pronto Digital. As precise as our top pick, and what you'll find in my cabinet, this Ozeri scale's main feature is the large round weighing platform. Available in 6 color options, which include black, red, teal, and silver, it's perfect for matching your other kitchen appliances. Like many streamlined scales, it comes with 2 function buttons. The power button also resets the scale to 0, which is helpful for ingredients that need to be weighed in a container. The other changes the preferred measurement unit to either pounds, ounces, milliliters, or grams. Number 3. Digital Kitchen Scale. If you just need a dependable tool without all the bells and whistles, this Amazon Basics scale checks all the boxes. The budget-friendly model has many of the same features as pricier ones, which includes an easy-to-read LCD screen and sensors for accurate measurements. Its wide circular platform can handle up to 11 pounds. Similar to the Ozeri model, this scale features a large weighing platform that's easy to wipe clean. It weighs ingredients in both ounces and grams and has a tare function to reset the weight. It also features automatic shutoff programmed for about 2 minutes of inactivity. Number 2. Etekcity Smart Food. There's an app for every home appliance now. In addition to simple weight measurement, this Bluetooth-enabled smart scale from Etekcity can give you up to 8 different nutrition stats, including calories, total fat, total carbohydrates, and protein. The flat stainless steel platform can measure up to 11 pounds in ounces, grams, and milliliters. The large backlit LCD screen can display all your macros once connected with VE SyncFit, the scale's free app, which also syncs with Apple Health and Fitbit. The app comes in handy for anyone who needs to track their meals over time. Number 1. Taylor Stainless Steel Analog. This analog kitchen scale from Taylor is for those who want a classic scale that doesn't need batteries. The scale's removable stainless steel, 5-cup bowl makes for easy measuring and cleaning, while a black and white dial completes the retro look. The scale can handle up to 11 pounds, and the large 5-inch display measures in both ounces and grams. Like with most traditional scales, you have to tare it using the dial underneath the measuring bowl, so it might not be as accurate as a digital scale.